Hi, my name is Hitesh and you are watching Metasploit Extreme on Kali Linux. So we have got quite through with lots of videos, and in this video we are into the information gathering section. And as I've already discussed, please spend your much more time in information gathering. The more time you will spend in information gathering platform, the more easy will be to penetrate into any system. So once you have got information about your victim, then it's really important and it's easy to hack into it. And in the previous video we have seen that services which are running on different servers or different machines are really important to get information about. And in last video we have gone through one very good service, that is MS SQL. Now there are other services as well, like one of them is SSH and quite others are as well. So what we are going to do in this video, we are going to search for the SSH version. So there might be some potential vulnerable version out there in which we can find out and can get much more information. So there is also one version test out here and we are going to use it, that is auxiliary version, and I'm going to use scanner SSH version for it. Okay, I'll hit a show option command in order to find out what are the options that I need to fill. So now here we have got our hosts option. Now one very good feature about this particular our hosts is actually like this. Let's say I have already got that two machines are up and running. I don't know on which version they are running or not, but I have filtered out the two IP address on which everything is running. So I have got set our host. I can set those particular IP address like in this manner: 192.168.52.160, and another one is 192.168.52.155. so that's really a unique method to set out your IP addresses, and you can set multiple IP addresses out here, and really it's important. And you can also change your thread values, but really I'm not interested in that in this particular video, although you can change it and can find out which is working very much fast. So if I run it, scans very quickly. And what else I can do, I can simply check it by using some simple commands. And as I have already discussed, there is one option that says services, and I can simply put services -p, that stands for port, and after that -c by using name, port and prototype or protocols type. So here we have got that says it's running SSH on port 22, and this machine is also running SSH on port 22. So these are really important information that we have got so far. Okay, let me back off from this so I can back it, and I can again search for very important services like for example, let's say FTP version, if there is some out for it as well, and I hope there will be one. Okay, so here it is. What I can do, I can simply use this auxiliary scanner FTP, and it is FTP underscore version. Okay, so I can check it if there is a FTP being running out there on some of the machine or not. And again I have got FTP password. Our host is there, so let me fill up my our host value. Let me check it on one of the machine, although I can check it for two machines as well, but I am really interested in checking for one only, and I leave that you also check for every machine. So let me set it and hit a run after it. Okay, so it says scanned one of one host, 100% complete, and everything is being depicted that it has got FTP banner as well that says VSFTPD, that is the daemon of the FTP being running out here. And also what I can do, I can use this command again to filter out if there is something running on port number 21, that is for FTP. So I can simply run it and find out that yes, everything is being out here and is being mentioned very clearly. So this was the video about checking your services using the SSH and FTP that we have seen, and make sure you also find out in the same manner about all other services which might be possibly running, and I can assume that some of them might be vulnerable, and I can use it to get privileges on that particular machine. So that's all for this video now, and hope to see you in the next video very soon. Bye bye for now. See you soon.